So today we're gonna use, wait, what was it again? We're gonna use some dirt bikes and some fingerboards on these ramps like that. Okay, let's record. We're ready. Oh, now he's using the fingerboard. Oh, and there's a fingerboard on the wall. We're pretending that shampoo is on the wall. Skeleton deck. Okay, let's do this now. So now I'm going to find something to stand up the no, actually no. There's Kitty Cat. And then Kitty Cat is so adorable. And I'm going to give him this. And I met his name is Pebbles. And he likes, what is it called again? He likes, to go outside with his girlfriend. And he's named girlfriend, and his name is Pebble Cat, and he can reach there. So now let's start recording. Okay, my turn. So I'm gonna use the dirt bikes.
That one was really cool.
Without cheating it, I did it like this, and it's not supposed to be like that. So let's wait. I'm gonna do like.
That was really good. One time. One on track.
Oh my god. Wait, I can remember. I'm gonna do. Oh, let me do wait. First I'm gonna do wheelies, and then after that I'm gonna do that. So possible landed. Oh my god. Christmas tree. Wait. Okay, now I'm gonna do a fingerboard on top of a dirt bike and this on top of it. Wait. I got a perfect idea. I'm gonna get something out of the door. Like wheelies, wheelies. Oh no, wait. Wheelies. You doing wheelies? And then.
Oh my god, right.
Turning, curve, back flip, front flip on it. He's going across the other world with his Honda bike. Honda radio. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna do something different. Now this time I'm gonna do the same thing like that. Let's see if we this is real fun. Oh, I want to do a double. All the crowds are falling down. Let me put the crowds up. The crowds are falling down. You know why this one's not standing up? Because it's a squishy. You know the squishies? That's why it's not standing up. It's what? His name is Red Titan. Wait, Yellow Titan, Red Titan. Now this one has a kickstand. This one has a stand. Kickstand. Okay, ready? I'm not gonna like.
Pebbles.
Pebbles. So that's what cat. Oh, Pebbles is right there. That's what cat. Pebbles is right there. Okay. Okay. Let's use Michael. like a foam board. That's cool. Skeleton board, I have a purple board, shiner board, the white one, the praying board, this one, the golden truck board. These are not the boards, so and they also have oh yeah, zero fresh. I'm gonna do a pasta, except I made it like that. But I still got my fingers on the board. That time was better. I need to start practicing things on pasta. Handboarding, so bad at handboarding. This handboard and this fingerboard we made in our painting set, and I painted that. On there R-E-V-I-V-E. I painted it, and this one has tape on it because it's more regular.
Ah, no, ya vas a empezar a querer chupar mi de esta, ¿verdad?
I think they need 5 or 4 pop shots. Now, I'm just Doodoo Battle! Actually, let me do something. Oh no, no bullets in it. Wait, this is so cool. Wait, it doesn't, wait. Oh no, it doesn't have enough speed to hit. Okay, so we're gonna have a Nerf battle now. And Nerf battle. And then after that, we're gonna do a oh yes. Wait, we're gonna smash each other. Wait, I'll show you what we're gonna smash each other with. Oh, boom! A giant hammer. And I like punching this, like a punching bag. Like that. Like, yeah! I'm gonna use it. Do you think I can jump on this and you say no? Or while you're watching this video, then something wrong. I'm gonna make it do a backflip and then get on top of it. This is gonna be pretty easy.
Or his face. Click my face and you get a Sam's channel. Or your face. Full screen your face.
Oh!
Oh man. He's gone. Alright, that's it.
Oh, this is so fun. I'm gonna double Oh my gosh! I double flipped it and it went like this. No, it went like this and the back mile double flipped it. Double flipped it.
Hey guys, so today is the day. It is time for a rematch.
Wait, I'm the bottom for this. It's gonna be so easy.
6 or 7? Round 6. We're on round 12. And Roar actually hit me up and they wanted to partake in the Name a Bottle. They sent me over some coconut water.
This is so bad because that's why it's easy and it's what?
You're
It
gonna lose.
squishes and then if you think you go when you squish it you think it's gonna stay like that forever. We're gonna wait for a few minutes
I think you're gonna do
and it'll pop up.
every time.
See, it pops up slowly.
I'm gonna go
And like
America.
wait,
Choose your weapon.
and there's black right there. It's coming
My
out.
toes are frozen because I'm really cold.
So
You're gonna
now I'm gonna smash
roll.
Daddy, which is the camera name. Smash and then smash you too.
To match. And yeah, I'm first, so.
Yeah. Wait, you have to try to get me with this. You have to try to get me. So, let me give me that for a second. You have to try to get me. Wait, let's do punching. I'm gonna punch you. Okay. No, wait. No. Gordon, what the heck are you doing? Wait, I'm gonna smash it in the face.
Oh my gosh. That was crazy. I'm not gonna take that.
I hit the camera. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna punch it.
Oh my god. How does this become really fun?
Oh. If you try to get me, I have to dodge it. I got that out of the camera bin, which is my dad. Okay. Okay, stand. I took it out of his hand. Smash you too!
Oh, there you go.
Okay, just keep punching. Right. Okay.
That is insane.
I'm gonna punch as hard as I can. Stay still. Stay still.
Wow.
Oh.
So you get a. Can you 50-50? I can.